So today I scarified, I dethatched, and I am tired. The last thing I want to do is put down some fertilizer and some seed. I'm going to overseed, and I know I'll get a lot of comments about overseeding in the spring, but I'm going to do it. I got some Kentucky bluegrass. I already have an established Kentucky bluegrass lawn, but I'm going to throw down some seed, and I'm going to throw down some nitrogen. It's actually 3204. I want to push growth because I want to do some leveling with topsoil. So I'm hoping that the 3204 will push some growth for me, and then I can, in about 2 weeks, I'll be able to level with some topsoil. So here's the seed I got. I got 10 pounds, and I got it from the seed superstore, and they let you name your blend, and I just called it Pat's Blend. So I got 30% Midnight Kentucky Bluegrass, 30% Blue Note Kentucky Bluegrass, 30% Everest Kentucky Bluegrass, and 10% Bewitched Kentucky Bluegrass. So I'm going to throw this down heavy. Now, way back in 2007, I did a full lawn renovation, and I put down sod. The sod I used was Kentucky Bluegrass, and I've just maintained it over the years, and I have no idea what type of Kentucky Bluegrass it is. I have no idea of the variety. So since I dethatched and scarified today, I figured I'd throw down some seed, overseed, and then in the fall overseed again and try to get an established Kentucky Bluegrass lawn with these blends here. Every year my lawn looks good, but I'd like to try and put some of this blend in the lawn. So I'm going to put the 3204 down at half the rate, and then come back in 2 or 3 weeks and put this back down again at half the rate. There it is there, 3204. This is just a standard Scott's Turf Builder lawn food that I picked up from that Big Orange hardware store. So let me get started. I'm going to throw the fertilizer down first, and then I'm going to put the seed down after the fertilizer. We're expecting rain tomorrow, so now's a good time to do it so it'll get washed in. So there you have it. No fertilizer with crabgrass preventer, just strictly nitrogen and seed. And if I get weeds or any kind of crabgrass during the season, I'll just treat them as they come up. But for the most part, my lawn is weed free. I do get some crabgrass here and there in July, but I'll treat that as it comes. So again, I just fertilized, overseed it. I'm going to push growth. So when I level the lawn with some topsoil and get ready for a season of mowing with my new swordman. So I'll keep you posted. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next one.